1977 Ford Thunderbird, just in it unique, especially in classics. Now, this particular car was a trade to us. The gentleman that owned this car is believed to be a one-owner car, had this car forever. Extremely fussy gentleman, so this car has been well taken care of throughout the years. A little over 100,000 miles on it, but does not show that. And I'll point out a few things where we've noticed on it. But overall, it was originally a 3G paint coat car, so this would be dark blue metallic. And yeah, you're going to have some imperfections in this. I'd call it a nice driver quality paint, if not a little better than that even. You can see a nice reflection in the paint. See, the car's straight. Headlight doors do open. There's pictures of them open and closed on our website. Underneath the hood, it's got the big V8. 400 underneath there, and I believe that was the largest engine you could get in this generation Thunderbird. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see that engine bay, check out the underside of this car. See the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. Remember, we can also be reached at 507-386-1726. Equipment along with that 400 underneath the hood, power steering, power brakes. So it's still riding on the factory 77 T-Bird wheels, white wall radials. And again, just take a look up and down this, how long these are. It's easy to see if they've had a bunch of filler or body work done to it. This one has not. The other thing noticed on this one is you have these plugs right here. And what that is it's a rust proofing. Here's another one. That's where rust proofing is sprayed on them. And we've been noticing on a lot of these 70s model years cars, when that was popular, the ones that we've seen that have had it done to it, it's actually done a pretty good job of prohibiting the rust. So appears to be decent. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you in getting this car to where you're located at and may be eligible for an extended service contract. You have to consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Rear bumper shows its age a little bit, as you can see. And then I was going to point out one other thing I wanted to let you know about. Up here on the roof line, where you have for the two-door hardtop, and then you got kind of the vinyl, you can start to see there is a little bubbling up there, and we do have that in the pictures also. So take your time, look through the pictures. Vinyl's in nice shape though. And again, those still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below the video in the description, there's a link. Click on it, it's going to take you right there. Come around to the driver's side. We had no bubbling up above the wheel wells. The gentleman that owned this car would clean the underside of it. And check out those underside pics, you'll see what I'm talking about. Service work, we just did the rear wheel cylinders on it too. So the rear wheel cylinders were just done. And by the way, this does have the automatic. It is the Select Chef XPL automatic. And originally, I believe I seen where this one, I can't remember if it was a factory AC car or not. It doesn't look like it. Let's go ahead and fire this up a second. Yes, it was factory AC. I take that back. It does not have the compressor under the hood anymore, if you're wondering. And you can see that in the still pictures also. There's a little something from the 70s. CV in it. AM, FM cassette player. Fuel gauge works, and there's the miles. It reads 24,512. According to the previous owner, that is 124,512. Look at this dash. Also in nice shape. How many times you see those all cracked up? There is a little blemish right there. I did notice. Alright. Take a look at the seats too. How they've worn. Tell the car was well taken care of, no doubt about that. But the headliner looks good. Tell you what, I'm going to pause this 1 second. Let's check out that 400 underneath the hood. All right, here we go. And it's been done up a little bit underneath here. You can see with some blue paint and some chrome Ford Racing valve covers. Edelbrock intake. Little chrome dress up on the air cleaner. Like I said, no compressor, but was originally an AC car. Here's some of the components still underneath there. Nice, smooth running engine. So there you go. You're looking for a classic that won't break the bank and get you into the classic car hobby. Have a little fun. Go to the cruise-ins, roll-in shows. Here it is, 1977 Ford Thunderbird at your Hardtop. Give us a call. 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Down below this video is where the link is. Click on it. It's going to take you right to our website. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you in getting this car to where you're located at. We do take trades. May be eligible for an extended service contract also. So consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. 1977 Ford Thunderbird.